Surprise, it's me. Here's a great rhyme to use with your winter story times. It's called 5 Little Snowmen. I like to do it as a prop rhyme with these kind of masks that I made out of poster board, which I then drew the faces on and put a piece of orange construction paper on, laminated, and put craft sticks on the back. And then have the kids come up and play the snowman. You can also do this with hats and scarves of different colors. I like to use the scarves because then you can show the signs for different colors as we go. This rhyme also teaches the numbers from 1 to 5. So first, I get my volunteers to come up and give them their snowman hats or their masks. And I'm going to put this down now, so I have hands free to show you the signs. And here's how the rhyme goes. I made one little snowman. I put a hat upon his head. I gave him 2 eyes of coal and a scarf of red. It's like you're touching your red lips. And then you put the scarf around the child. I made another snowman, and that was number 2. I put a hat upon his head and gave him a scarf of blue. This is the letter B in American Sign Language, and then you shake it to mean blue. I made another snowman, and that was number 3. I put a hat upon his head and gave him a scarf of green. This is the letter G in American Sign Language. You put your thumb and point your finger out, and then to mean green, you shake it. I made another snowman, and that made my 1, 2, 3, 4th fellow. I put a hat upon his head and gave him a scarf of yellow. Put up your thumb and your pinky and shake it. That means yellow. I made another snowman, and that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snow people. I put a hat upon his head and gave him a scarf of purple. Purple is often the most difficult color for small children to sign because P has a difficult letter. So I usually do it step by step like this. Make a number 2, put your thumb in the middle, turn it upside down, that's a letter P in American Sign Language, and then to mean purple, you shake it. Once all the snowmen have their scarves, then we play a guessing game to see if they can guess which one is going to melt first. It goes like this. The sun was very hot that day, and the snowman with the scarf melted away. So the kids have to watch and see which one is going to melt. So then they'll point to the one with the red scarf, and then that one gets to melt. And we take away their mask, and then we count how many are left, and then you can do it again. The sun continued to shine that day, and the snowman with the scarf melted away, and so forth until all the snowmen have melted.